So Halloween is just around the corner. So over the next couple of weeks, we're going to be uploading some content around some of the gory stuff. But until then, I'm just off to carve a pumpkin. It didn't go well. Now, indulge me, folks. Imagine, if you will, a life-threatening bleed here. We're going to deal with indirect pressure and tourniquets improvised and manufactured in another video. But in terms of body parts, heaven forbid, please avoid this one massive myth. Put it on ice. Get it on ice straight away. Don't, whatever you do, put any body parts directly into ice. You will severely damage the nerve endings. Now, this is what we want to do. And in a nice ideal world, I'm going to be wearing at least one pair of gloves. I want to get said limb. I'm going to put it in a plastic bag. I'm not going to waste a Waitrose bag on this, am I? That's going to go straight into a plastic bag so it's nicely protected. I am then going to wrap said plastic bag with said body part in a nice towel, jacket, jumper, dishcloth, something along those lines, so it is nice and protected. And what I want to do finally is I want to put it into another bag with some ice. So very crudely put, my friends, just think with body parts, fridge, not freezer. We want to keep them cold, but we don't want to freeze them. The body part stays clearly labelled and with the casualty at all times. Folks, stay tuned for more. I hope you had some fun.